Hello again, Steel Pinnings back. Today I have one of the padlocks right out of Mr. Bobby Key's package. This is that little Brinks. I just wanted to do a quick little out of package pick, so I threw it up in the vise. Let's see. Yeah, it'll work, huh? Yeah. Let's see what we can get out of it here. I bet it's just a standard little. Yeah. I feel a little crunchiness in there, and I know there's one spool. I'm not catching the feedback, though. I felt kind of silly right out of the box trying to pick it, simply because I had it open and I was sitting here going, what am I missing? What am I missing? Everything is telling me one thing, and okay, see, double clicks on them. Overset something, I think. Let's just reset. Start at the back this time. There we go. I thought I had the spool and wound up not. Either getting hung up or it's always something, right? Camera's on. Why would it want to work? There it was. Good grief. Kept going over it. Anyhow, that's that little Brinks. Can't believe it kept me out that long, but, well, you know, it's got to have a good day too, you know? I appreciate you guys joining me for that little pickola. Y'all keep it real, and we'll talk to y'all later. Peace.